Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw sunflower for kids. So let's get started. At first, draw a circle like this. From here go up, round, then join down. Same here. Another petals like this. From here go up, round, join down. Go up, fluffy, join down. Same here. Another more petals like this. From this point go down a line. Same another line. Now draw a leaf. One line, from here another bent line, join. Straight line, some lines inside. Here also make small lines. Now I am making grass. Zigzag, zigzag, up and down lines. Now our drawing is ready for coloring. For the flower I am using yellow color. Inside the flower, I am using light brown. For the leaf and the grass, I am using light green color. Now I am using black. For the flower shading, I am using golden yellow color. For the shading, I am using deep blue color. Now I am using light brown. For outlining, I am using black. For the sky, I am using sky blue color. Now our drawing is ready. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.